super excited. We're going to hike Vickery Falls today. So going with my buddies Jesse and his beautiful wife Crystal. So we are on our way. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Oh, you look so good on camera. So does Crystal. No, I'm kidding.
Is it rolling?
It's rolling.
Rolling.
So we went to Roswell Mill,
Vickery
Falls.
Oh, I'm getting texted.
Yeah. So what were your thoughts?
I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I am a guy who doesn't get to hike every day.
Was that your first hike in Georgia?
No, we hiked in Helen. Actually, we hiked in Helen at Anna Ruby Falls, and I just
you have
to
a sticker.
and I would have had no idea what the name of that place was. Had that sticker up on your computer.
Yeah.
I mean, growing up in Florida, it's just not something we get.
Right.
You know, I mean,
There's a waterfall.
Well, there's not. It's not a waterfall.
That was a waterfall.
That was a waterfall.
That we saw today.
Oh, I thought you were talking. I thought you were still trying to sell me on the waterfall in Pinellas Park.
No, that was a water sewage drain off.
Right, but you.
But it was technically a waterfall.
Well, so was a sink.
Fair enough.
So.
So we all have a little piece of Hickory Falls
On
trail on us because we all fell at some point.
Hence the name.
Yeah, Hickory. Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
See what you did there. So
Is it Hickory or Kickory?
it's Vickery.
Vickery.
Did I say Hickory?
I think you did.
It's Vickery.
Which I think it's because we're hungry.
I'm starving. Vickery.
So Hickory Falls sounds delightful.
So I would say that's a
delightful.
medium difficulty hike. Nothing crazy. There's a couple spots, but for the most part, it's smooth. Yeah,
it's a little brushy in there.
Once you get to the end, just stop and turn around because it wasn't worth going all the way to the end.
Again, by the end, you mean the payoff, which is the fall.
Right. So basically, on the hike, the payoff happens within the first 10 minutes. But some amazing. That was just amazing.
Cool bridges.
Or just go get lost.
Or go get lost. That's what I would suggest.
Look for the Blair Witch.
Yeah. That's all we got.
That's what we did.
Stink a little bit.
Oh, we smell. We need to take check now.
Oh yeah, tick check. It's my favorite part. I get to look at her under boob.
Yeah. Guys, what did you think about the park today? What did you think about the hike today? Did you have a good time? Are you tired? Are you worn out? So clearly, the dogs had a wonderful time at Hickory Falls Park. Falls Park?
Vickery.
Vickery.
Stop
The
thinking-
dogs had an awesome time. So the dogs had an awesome time at Vickery Falls. Yeah.